Hi guys, today we are going to be making a DIY video on Brickell West flags. When we are done, the flags will look like this. How exciting! Let's get started. First, let's go over the supplies. You will need a stapler, a wooden stick and a printed out Brickell West flag, which can be found on the Brickell West official website. Next, put the wooden stick on a side of the paper flag and roll the paper over the wooden stick, as shown. Now, you're gonna have to use your stapler on the paper and staple the paper around the wooden stick. You are going to have to make sure not to staple the stick while doing this, and staple the entire length of the paper, otherwise, your flag may fall apart and not work. And there you go. You are now the proud owner of a Brickell West flag. Look how beautiful it looks as it waves. How lovely. This is Samantha from Brickell West DIY Vids. Remember to like and subscribe to see more content like this. Bye guys.